This is an algebraic term, this is an algebraic term, and this is also an algebraic term. We call them algebraic term because they are numbers and letters together. In algebra, these numbers are called coefficients. They are called what? Coefficients. So when I say, what is the coefficient of y? The coefficient of y is 3. In this case, the coefficient of AB is minus 13. In this case, the coefficient of x is what? Is 2. The coefficient of P is what? Is minus 25. So the coefficient of xy is what? Is minus 1. In algebra, whenever you see letters, there is always an invisible 1 beside it. So ordinary letters has 1 as their coefficient. So in this case, there is an invisible 1, right? And there is a sign over here. Good. So what is the coefficient of G? The coefficient of G is 7. Did you get it right? Good.